I request all the graduates to kindly stand up. Kindly take this. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. You may be please seated. A very warm good morning to all the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, teachers, parents and students friends. Today is a day of celebration, a day of achievement and a day of new beginnings. It is with immense pleasure I, Dr. Sneha Chitta Sunayana, delighted to welcome you all to the 13th graduation day ceremony.
ಶುಭೋದಯ. ಕೃತಯುಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರು ಶಿಷ್ಯಂಗೆ ಬಡಿದು ಬುದ್ಧಿಯ ಕಲಿಸಿದರೆ ಆಗಲಿ ಮಹಾಪ್ರಸಾದವೆಂದನಯ್ಯ. ತ್ರೇತಾಯುಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರು ಶಿಷ್ಯಂಗೆ ಬೈದು ಬುದ್ಧಿಯ ಕಲಿಸಿದರೆ ಆಗಲಿ ಮಹಾಪ್ರಸಾದವೆಂದನಯ್ಯ. ದ್ವಾಪರ ಯುಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರು ಶಿಷ್ಯಂಗೆ ಜೇಂಕಿಸಿ ಬುದ್ಧಿಯ ಕಲಿಸಿದರೆ ಆಗಲಿ ಮಹಾಪ್ರಸಾದವೆಂದನಯ್ಯ. ಕಲಿಯುಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರು ಶಿಷ್ಯಂಗೆ ವಂದಿಸಿ ಬುದ್ಧಿಯ ಕಲಿಸಿದರೆ ಆಗಲಿ ಮಹಾಪ್ರಸಾದವೆಂದನಯ್ಯ. ಗುಹೇಶ್ವರ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲದ ಕಟ್ಟಡೆಯ ಕಲಿತನಕ್ಕೆ ನಾ ಬೆರಗಾದೆನು. ಅಲ್ಲಮ ಪ್ರಭು ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತ ವಚನವನ್ನು ಸ್ಮರಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಸಭಿಕರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ 13ನೇ ಘಟಿಕೋತ್ಸವ ಸಮಾರಂಭಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ, ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಈ ಸಮಾರಂಭ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಠಿಣ ಪರಿಶ್ರಮ ಮತ್ತು ಸಮರ್ಪಣೆಯ ಪರಾಕಾಷ್ಠೆಯನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸುವ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮರಣೀಯ ಸಂದರ್ಭವಾಗಿದೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಸಾಧನೆಗಳ ಆಚರಣೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಅವರ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ದೃಢ ನಿಶ್ಚಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಪದವೀಧರರು ತಮ್ಮ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಪ್ರಯಾಣದ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಮತ್ತು ಕೌಶಲ್ಯಗಳಿಗೆ ಯಶಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರ ಕೊಡುಗೆಗಳ ಪಾತ್ರವನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸುವ ದಿನ ಇದು. ಈ ಹಂತವನ್ನು ತಲುಪಲು ಅವರು ಜಯಿಸಿದ ಸವಾಲುಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರತಿಬಿಂಬಿಸಲು ಇದು ಒಂದು ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಅವಕಾಶವಾಗಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ, ಅಸತ್ಯದಿಂದ ಸತ್ಯದ ಕಡೆಗೆ, ತಮಸ್ಸಿನಿಂದ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯ ಕಡೆಗೆ, ಮೃತ್ಯುವಿನಿಂದ ಅಮೃತ ತತ್ವದ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಎನ್ನನ್ನು ತಲುಪಿಸಿ ಎಂಬುದು ಬೃಹದ ಅರಣ್ಯ ಕೋಪನಿಷತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವ ಅರ್ಥವೇ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ. ಇಂತಹ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆಯನ್ನು ಹಾಗೂ ನಾಡಗೀತೆಯನ್ನು ನಿವೇದಿಸಲು ಬರುತ್ತಿರುವವರು ಕುಮಾರಿ ಅನನ್ಯ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಂಗಡಿಗರು. ನಾಡಗೀತೆಗೆ ಗೌರವವನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುವುದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಎದ್ದು ನಿಂತುಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕೆಂದು ವಿನಂತಿ.
Principal Dr. L.D. Orkedi sir to invite the President for 13th convocation to declare open.
ಮಾನ್ಯ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರೇ, ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟ ಉದ್ದೇಶಕ್ಕನುಗುಣವಾಗಿ ನಡೆಸಿದ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತೀರ್ಣರಾದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಪದವಿಗಳನ್ನು ದಯಪಾಲಿಸಲು ಕೆಎಲ್ಇ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಪಿಸಿ ಜಾಬಿನ್ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಮಹಾವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯವು ಈ ಪದವಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಸಮಾರಂಭವನ್ನು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು, ತಾವು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ಪದವಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಸಮಾರಂಭವನ್ನು ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಬೇಕೆಂದು ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. I have the honor of requesting the Honorable Chairman sir to declare the graduation day open.
ಈ ಪದವಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಸಮಾರಂಭವು ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆಯಾಯಿತೆಂದು ಸಾರುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಐ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಗ್ರಾಜುಯೇಷನ್ ಡೇ ಓಪನ್.
I request our beloved Principal Dr. L.D. Orkedi sir to welcome and introduce today's guest.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. Honorable Chairman, Governing Body of our college, Sri Shankaranaji I. Munoli sir, esteemed Chief Guest Professor Dr. C. Basavaraju sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Karnataka State Law University, Hubballi, Chief Guest Professor Srimati Jayashree Madam, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Karnataka University, Dharwad, Guest of Honor Professor Suresh Tuwar sir, Director, College Development Council, Karnataka University, Dharwad, Professor S.S. Kanchali, Honorable Member of our Governing Body, Professor V.K. Revankar, Honorable Member of our College Academic Council, Honorable Members of our Autonomous College Governing Body, Academic Council members, members of the local governing body, my dear colleague friends, my dear graduates, distinguished invitees, press and media friends, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed a matter of great pleasure and privilege for me to welcome you all to the 13th graduation day of KLA Society's PC Job in Science Autonomous College, Hubballi. Hearty welcome to one and all present over here. I deem it to be my proud privilege to introduce the dignitaries to this august gathering. First, I would like to introduce today's President of this function, Sri Shankaranaji I. Munoli sir. Sri Shankaranaji I. Munoli sir is a visionary, challenge-driven and successful leader in both socio-political areas. Coming from a respectable agriculture and business family, sir has earned a special place in the socio-economic scenario of North Karnataka through his dedicated work. Munoli sir's contributions in the field of education, development of commerce in the region, and betterment of social organization are exemplary. Sri Shankaranaji I. Munoli sir is a member Board of Management KLE Society Belagavi since 1989. Sir's contribution to the growth of society, which runs over 310 institutions in the state of Karnataka, Maharashtra and Delhi, is very important one. Munoli sir is guiding and monitoring all activities of our college as a chairman of our Autonomous College Governing Body. Sir is serving as the chairman and member of governing councils of many schools, colleges and professional institutions and has consistently driven their overall growth towards excellence. Instrumental in establishing and developing schools and colleges in rural and semi-urban areas. And sir's contribution in the establishment of KLE Society's new medical college at Hubballi is remarkable one. Munoli sir was a president 2 times of prestigious Karnataka Chamber of Commerce and Industries, Hubballi, an organization involved in promoting trade and industrial activities in the state of Karnataka. Served in the managing committee member of KCCI for 10 years and played a vital role in inspiring and energizing diverse groups of farmers, traders and industrialists to work towards common goal of economic development of the region. Sir has led teams to Sri Lanka, Germany and China to promote trade relationship. Sir is serving as a chairman Sri Gursideshwara Cooperative Bank, Hubballi, serving as a president KLE Cooperative Hospital, Hubballi, organized mass marriages regularly to help the needy families and conducted several health camps for poor and downtrodden. sir has contributed generously to the dumb and deep schools. Munoli sir is the founder chairman Vishwanatha Kalyan Mandapa Hubbali and organized several yoga camps for the benefit of Hubbali Dharwad citizens. Sri Munoli sir has received prestigious Sahakara Ratna Award by the state government for their noble service rendered to the cooperative sector of the state quite recently, that is the last month. And Sri Munoli sir has been nominated as a member for FCI, that is Food Corporation of India, by the central government of our country. With this brief introduction, I extend a warm and sincere welcome to Sri Shankaranaji I. Munoli sir, and I request sir to preside over this function. Welcome you, sir. Now I would like to introduce today's chief guest, Professor Dr. C. Basavaraju, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Karnataka State Law University, Hubbali. An eminent and great personality fighting for the social justice for all, in general weaker and vulnerable section of the society. Above all, a kind-hearted Professor C. Basavaraju sir to this august gathering. Professor C. Basavaraju sir, born on 15/5/1962 in Mysuru, sir has completed school education at a small village in Mysuru Taluk, then BA, MA, LLB and LLM degrees from University of Mysore, all with first class and first, and has completed PhD on social justice from University of Mysore in the year 2002. Dr. Basavaraju sir had joined the University of Mysore as a lecturer, then became reader and professor of law. Further, held many academic and administrative positions in the University of Mysore. To his credit, many awards and recognitions of national and international level they are having. To mention a few, Dr. D. Javregoda Gold Medal, University of Mysore in the year 1984 for BA in English. Best Citizen of India Award, International Publication New Delhi 2010. Yashasvi Sadhaka Award, Kautilya Institute of Excellence, Mysore in the year 2011. Rajiv Gandhi Sadbhavana Award, International Publication New Delhi in the year 2015. RTI Awareness Award, RTI Institute of India 2015.